Hello, my good people. Welcome back to the channel. We learn together and we grow together. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. For my new subscribers, you're the right place. Karibuni sana. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching my videos until the end and for your support. God bless you. Let's go to the video. We are learning more about crocheting. Yeah, we are doing a crop top, elegant one. Let's watch. Now, guys, I have started with the front part. As we continue, we are going to learn more. I am using double crochet and I space with 4 stitches as we continue. Very simple for new learners. Now the front part is over. I am stretching on the neck. I am working on the neck right now. I have done a chain, extended a chain according to the size of your neck. Yeah? So that is the neck already there. Guys, let's continue. Simple and very elegant. Guys, like you can see, I'm done with the front part, the neck, and the back part. It has started giving us the shape. Let's continue with the crochet. I am working on the sleeve. Now, I am working on the sleeve, a long sleeve. Let's continue with our pattern. Like I said, guys, I'm using double crochet and spacing with 4 chains as we continue with our crop top crochet long sleeve. Stick by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I love you so much for your support. Let's continue with our crochet. Guys, it's not yet done. I'm just showing off how our pattern is coming up. Let's continue until the end. Guys, the work is almost done. We are almost there. Look at that. In case you want me to crochet in pattern for you, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section. I love you so much. Share this video, watch it until the end, and God bless you. Show the world your talent, show the world your skills, and God bless you. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Let's continue. We are doing the finishing right now.